I'm very happy to introduce our speaker today, Dr. Narmadha. Her career started simply and reaches its peak, getting awarded a doctorate degree by Sathyabama University. At present, she is working as an associate professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. She has 19 years of experience in teaching and research in the field of wireless communication, particularly network security and authentication protocol. She has completed a seed money project from Sathyabama Institute. She has published more than 35 papers in national, international peer-reviewed journals and conferences. She has written a book chapter in the field of communication networks. She got Award of Excellence on Mid-Career Research Service in Engineering by SMU University, Singapore. She is also an active member in the Institution of Engineers and life member of the Indian Society for Technical Education. Now, without any delay, I request the speaker to start the session.
Thank you, Nisha ma'am. Thank you for the introduction.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning. I am Dr. R. Narmadha, Associate Professor from Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology. Today I am going to discuss about this Python unit test. I am going to take the small introduction about this Python unit test, and followed by I am going to explain some of the examples, okay, how we are going to use this Python unit test. So what is a Python unit test? So the Python unit test, what for it is, okay, why this Python unit test? When we are doing any application, or otherwise if you are doing the project, so after completion of this project coding, okay, definitely the project or any application, if you are completed means, okay, the next step, okay, definitely you have to check the coding. So for checking the coding by manually means, usually will be taking the printouts, and then the printout will be compared with the reference code, and then okay, just we are going to find out the errors, okay, to reduce this, okay, manual process, okay, just the Python has introduced this unit test. Actually the Python unit test, it's nothing but a very simple code, and it is going to test the source code, and also it gives the information during the software development, and also it is going to take the functions, okay, like a membership function, okay, or all the function, okay, it is going to validate in the software development stage, okay. And I'll give you the brief introduction about this unit testing. And I already told you that is, it is simple coding. So the simple coding is used to take care of the errors, okay, to debug the errors. And for example, okay, we can take this Android telephone, okay. So in the Android phone, just you want to check the functions. The functions may be a sound, or otherwise the display, or otherwise any functions in the Android phone. If you want to check means, the Python unit test is going to validate the coding during the software development stage. And the definition, it is a best practices, and it is performed from the first stage to the end, okay, of that particular application or the project code. So it will help to perform the testing throughout the whole process of the development, and it is used to take the errors, okay, it is going to detect the errors early in the development of the application, when bugs are less frequent and less expensive to fix. So this is what we can give the explanation of this unit testing. So in simple, okay, just it is going to detect, okay, the data functions, okay, data functions of a particular project. And again, in this slide also, I have given some of the introduction about this unit test. So it is just it is a framework, okay. With the help of this framework, okay, just we are going to detect the errors. and it is based on JUnit. Okay, what is JUnit? The JUnit is nothing but Java unit. Java unit is for the integration of different classes of the work performed together. Okay, that is called what? JUnit. So in JUnit, okay, it is based on the JUnit, and it comes along with the Python as a standard module. That means there is no individual installation. Okay, it is comes along with the Python module. Okay, and also it supports. Okay, so the other applications means test automation, sharing of setup and shutdown of codes, and aggregation of test into collections, independence of test from reporting. So these are all the test supports it will give. And the next, okay, the Python is supports object oriented way. And here I have listed the 4 cases. The first one is test fixture. Okay, what is a test fixture? So beginning of this program, any program, just we have to take the setup. Okay, so the setup is nothing but, okay, test fixture. Okay, so it is going to collect all the necessary function of that particular program. So the necessary function means proxy database. It may be a proxy database, directories, or starting from the server processes. Okay, so test fixture is nothing but it is in setup. And the next one is text case. Okay, test case means it is a very small unit of testing. Okay, and it is going to create a new test cases. Okay, so it is nothing but a membership function, individual membership function. Okay, that is called what? Test case. Okay, and the next one is test shoot. Okay, the test shoot means it is the combination of test cases as well as the test shoot. Okay, so it is going to execute, okay, together along with the test case. It is going to execute. And the next one is test runner. The test runner is nothing but you can take the organization as well as the delivering. So the organization, that is organizing the execution of tests as well as the delivering the outcome to the user. So these are all the main supports, okay, based on this object oriented way. And before entering into the program, okay, so how we are going to write the program with the help of this unit test. So the Python tests are added in add-on modules as follows. Okay, so the first step, as usual in Python, whether you are going to use ideally or Anaconda, anything. Okay, first you have to create the Python files. Okay, so why this point is given means any file. Okay, if you are creating means just you have to take .py format. Okay, that's why the first point is given creating the Python files. Okay, and the second step is creating the classes. Actually, creating the classes means there are 2 types of classes were there. The one is the transaction class and the another one is the single transaction class. What is meant by a transaction class? Transaction class, okay, in all languages, just you came to know the meaning of this transaction class. The transaction class is nothing but if you are performing a number of tests means for each and every test, okay, you have to take the transaction class. Okay, and single transaction class means for multiple, okay, number of tests you have to perform single transaction class. Okay, so that is the difference between this transaction class and single transaction class. And the next one is writing test cases. Okay, so test cases is nothing but you have to take the asset function. Okay, asset function, and this asset function is used to check the operator's output is true or false. So once if you are given any statement, okay, once the statement is given means just the unit test is going to check whether the statement is correct or wrong. Okay, that is it is true or false. Okay, so that is the third step. And the fourth step, okay, testing exemptions. Exemption means suppose, okay, you are checking the number is, okay, you are taking 2 numbers, the number is greater than or equal to. So in this one, okay, just you have to check, okay, in addition to this, greater than or equal to, you want to add both the numbers are equal. So that is called what? Testing assumptions. Okay. So this, if you are doing testing as assumption means, a common case is when testing if some validations are being done properly. Okay. So after completion of all these things, okay, just you have to run the test. And as I told, the third point, okay, after the class, you have to give the assert methods. Okay, actually in Python unit test, there are number of assert test methods were there, more than 40 assert methods were there. And here I have listed some of the examples for this assert methods. The first one is assert equal. So the test that the two arguments are equal in value. Okay, and once if you are taking not equal means the two arguments are unequal in value. And same like if you are giving assert true, okay, the assert true is nothing but the argument has a boolean value of true, and if it is false means the boolean value of false. Anyway, once if you are taking a boolean value means definitely this is true or false condition only. And the next one is assert is, okay, that is the arguments evaluate to the same object. And if not, okay, is not is given, this is arguments do not evaluate to the same object. And the next one is assert is none, okay, that is argument evaluates to none. Okay, and assert not none is arguments does not evaluate to none. So these are all the few examples I have listed over here. Okay, these are all the assert methods. And as I told earlier, first you have to take the Python. Okay, and after this Python program, just you have to take the test cases. Okay, and after completion of this test cases, okay, just you have to take this unit test dot main. Okay, why this dot main function is given means this is going to deliver a command line interface to the test script, and the output suggests whether the test ran okay or failed. That means I have taken the fourth step is run the program. Okay, so when we are running the program means you have to take this unit test dot main. Okay, so this is the way just we are going to take the program of this Python unit test. And here I have listed subclasses of unit test dot test cases. And here actually there are three methods were there. Okay, that is the test underscore L strip, and the test is upper test underscore split. And the explanation is also here I have given. Testing the left stripping, like left stripping, right stripping is also available. And without this left and right stripping, just simply stripping is available, and upper or lower, okay, just you can check it out, and split, testing for split. Okay, so these are all the three methods were available in the subclassing unit test dot test case. We'll see in our example, okay, how we are going to use this three cases. And this is the example. And now we'll go to the program. Now for running these programs, we'll use this ideally, because the first day and second day you have seen the Cola, which is going to use for taking the Python programming. Now I'm going to take this ideally platform. You can able to view this, this ideally panel. Yes, now you can able to view this panel. Anybody give me the answer? You can able to view the screen.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am, but your voice is not audible, ma'am. Screen is okay. We can see.
Okay. Uh,
You
now,
please increase the volume.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yes. Okay. So I have opened this Python, and any file. Just if you want to open means, okay, just to go to file and open. Already I have done the programs. Okay, because okay. So we'll take the first program. So in the first program, that is sum of two numbers. Okay. So sum of two numbers. Okay. Here, the first step, as usual, you have to give the that is you have to import the unit test. So importing unit test is given with the help of this import unit test. Okay. And what is the second step? You have to uh, take the function. Okay. So the function here, we are going to take addition of two numbers. Okay. So with the help of this variables x and y, okay, you have to define the function. The function is add of x comma y. Okay. And the next one is okay, so addition of x comma y, okay, that will be written as x plus y. Okay. And the next one is class. Okay, the class my test of unit test dot test case. Okay, so here my test is nothing but it's a parent module. Okay, and inside this unit test, okay, test cases will be defined. Okay, so this is the format of this class my test of unit test dot test case. Okay. And the next definition, that is test of self. Actually, why we are giving this test of self means, the self means, okay, if you are giving in my test, okay, if you are giving a b c d, okay, that's multiple cases. Okay, once if you are giving means you want to take the A alone. Okay, that means the test of self. Okay, only that particular case A alone. Okay, the self has taken. So in the self dot assert equal. As I told earlier, okay, here we are giving the statement assert is equal. So assert is equal, assert is true, assert is greater than, assert is none. Okay, like this. Okay, here we are going to give the assert equal of addition. Okay, the program is for addition of x and y. Okay, so here x value is 3 and y value is 4. Okay, and here I have given asset equal. So that means, okay, I should give the correct answer. Okay, that the value of the two numbers x and y, okay, which is going to be equal to 7. Okay, that is the true statement here I have to give. Okay, that is the meaning of the statement. Okay, so assert equal, add 3 comma 4, and I must give the answer of 7. Okay, so this is the way I have defining the function. Okay, and after completion, first we are taking this import, and then you are going to take the function addition. Okay, and you are going to take the class. Okay, and after that, the last step, as I told earlier, you have to take the dot main. Okay, dot main function. Okay, this is going to be take the interface of this command line. Okay, command line. Okay, whether the program is run okay or not. Okay, just you have to take this dot main. Okay, so and now I'm going to run this program, run this module. Okay, so see here, parallelly we'll see both the panels. Okay, so I'm running this program, so it is okay. Okay, so the unit test. Okay, here we have given a self assert equal. Okay, so that is equal to, okay, the answer will be equal. Okay, so that is 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. Okay, in case, okay, if you are giving, okay, I'm changing the value. Yeah, now I'm changing the value instead of this. Sorry. Instead of this.
Yo. అయ్యో ఏంటిది
Yes. Okay, instead of this 7, okay, here I have changed the value 8. Okay, now I'm running this program. Okay, so see here, the assertion error, okay, instead of the 7, you got 8. Okay, so it is the failure is equal to 1. Okay, so now you can check like this. Okay, and we'll see the next program. So in the next program, okay, it is also a simple program. Here I have used the function split. Okay, so the first step, okay, you have to import. Okay, you have to import the unit test and then the class my test of unit test dot test case. Okay, and after that you have to define the function. Here what function I have taken? Test underscore split. Okay, so in for checking this split, okay, the s is equal to, okay, that is in string I have given the input. Okay, so whether, okay, the string value is given or not. Okay, that's why, okay, it is going to be checked. Okay, so s dot split of 1. Okay, now I am going to run this module. It's a simple case only. Okay, so I have run this module, I got it is okay. Okay, so that means, okay, if the input, okay, s is given in terms of string. Okay, if not, okay, if not means if I'm removing this port, okay, you will not get the string value. It will be taken as integer. Okay, always the string means, okay, in quoted only you should give. Okay, that's this is the thing. Okay, here we are checking. Okay, and we'll take the next program. Yes, the next program, okay, here we are going to take the mod 3 function. Okay, so we are going to take the function as mod 3. So first step, import the unit test and then the function is mod 3. Okay, and it will be written as x mod 3. Okay, and then, okay, here we are going to take the class test of unit test dot test case, and you are going to define self dot assert is equal to mod 3. Here we are going to take the value x. Okay, x is nothing but 4. So and also here I have given the assert is equal. Assert is equal means, okay, mod, okay, mod 3. Here x value I have given 4 and the answer is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the case we are going to check. Okay, so run this program. Okay, so the for running this program, okay, you can get, okay, the given assert is equal to 1, so it is okay. You can get the answer. Okay, okay, and if I'm changing the value, suppose the value is wrong. Okay, so if the value is wrong means, okay, instead of this 1, okay, I have given 2. Yes. Okay, see here the assertion error. Okay, instead of this 1, okay, you got 2. Okay, so like this you have to check. Okay, and now I'm taking the next program. Yeah, in the next program, see here, okay, that is previously we have seen individual functions. Okay, now I have taken the two functions. Okay, so import, after importing, okay, the class of my test, okay, that is the parent module, okay, and after defining this parent module, okay, just we are going to give, okay, first the unit test, okay, and after giving the class, okay, you have to define the functions, okay. So the two functions, the first function is test underscore true, okay, and self dot assert true, okay, that means, okay, if the assert is true means, okay, then, okay, the function will be verified as okay. If not, okay, it shows the failure one, okay. And the function what here you are taken is upper, okay, is upper means the given, okay, that is the input, okay, all the input, okay, input words are uppercase or lowercase, okay, just it is a simple one only. And the same like the second function, okay, see here asset in, okay, asset in means inside the bracket, okay, I have specified 2 7 a and 1, okay. Assert in means, okay, whether we are going to specify the inside values, okay. So if it is inside the value means the case will be checked as okay, okay. So these are all the two functions. The first function is upper and the second function is assert in, okay. And after completion, okay, dot main, okay, will be called. Now I'm running this program, okay, the two tests, okay, see here, okay, previously we have taken, okay, see here all, here test 1 and here also test 1 and here also test 1 and all are test 1, okay. Now we are checking the two functions, okay. So if suppose, okay, I'm changing, okay, this instead of this capital O I'm putting small o, and here also I'm changing, instead of this one I'm taking some other value, okay, that is okay 5, okay. Now you run this module. So if you are running this module means, okay, automatically it will be saved, okay, no need of taking the step save, okay. See here in the output, yeah, the ran two test in, okay, that is the clock pulse period is shown here, okay, that is two failures, okay. So the explanations also here you can see the assertion error 5 is not found in this given function, and also here, okay, FOO, that is the assertion error false is not true, okay. That means false is not true means this is a false, okay. So it does not comes under the function of test underscore true, okay. So that is the meaning of this test underscore true, okay. So this function is not satisfied, okay, that's why it shows the error. We'll take the next example. Yeah, okay. So in this example, see the program. Here I didn't take this unit test, okay. Before taking the unit test, okay, first I want to explain about this program, okay. So as I told earlier, okay, the three methods were there, no, in subclasses, okay. All the three methods, okay, here I have taken the first one, okay. Here the first one is the strip, okay, and the second one is L strip and the third one is R strip, and the input is str is equal to, okay, what is the input, dash 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 my world dash 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 is given, okay. That is the my world. Before and after I have added some dashes, okay, and this is the input, okay. With the help of the strip, okay, just I'm going to remove the dashes, and with the help of L strip, the L strip is nothing but leading, okay. All the leading dashes will be removed, or otherwise, okay, in the leading, okay, if suppose if you are placing any that is space, okay, that is ideal space, okay, or otherwise if we want to remove any other function, okay, instead of this dash or otherwise any space or otherwise anything you want to remove, okay, in the leading, okay, just that will be removed off, and you have to specify, okay, which has to be removed, okay. So see here the function L strip, okay, to delete all the leading dashes, okay, and the dash is also to be specified here. Okay, that's why the print, okay, string after stripping all leading dash is, okay, and end, okay, in bracket, okay, that is in the string statement it should shows, okay, and str dot l strip of the dashes, okay, that means with the help of this leading strip, okay, or left strip, okay, just you are going to remove the dashes, okay, and same like r strip means the trailing edges, okay, the trailing means that is the r strip, okay, that is all the trailing, okay, after this my world, okay, here the three dashes were there no, okay, that will be removed off, okay. So this is the program will explain you about this strip, l strip and r strip, okay. So now we'll run this program, okay, see here, okay, the answer, string after stripping all dashes, okay, dashes, okay, in that way only we are showing the output, okay. So string after stripping all dash is, okay, the answer, okay, the answer is my world. Before and after all the dashes will be removed over here, and same like, okay, the second one, strip after stripping all leading dashes is, okay, that is, okay, the leading dashes will be removed here, and you can able to view my world, and after that the trailing dashes will be added, okay, same like r strip, okay, that is the trailing dashes will be removed, okay, you can view dashes followed by my world, okay. So this is the function of this string, l string and r string, okay. Now we'll see the example with the help of this unit test function. Yeah, okay, so this is the program, okay. So in this program, okay, I'll maximize the program. So here I'm using this unit test. Under the unit test, I'm taking this test string methods, okay. The test string method, I'm using this l strip and upper and also a split, okay. The three functions I'm using, okay, these are all the subclasses, okay, and subclassing methods, three, that is there are strip, upper and split, okay. So first we'll take this l strip, okay. So in l strip, testing for left stripping, okay, and left stripping, and see the example here, self dot assert equal, okay, here I have given space and after that followed by hello, okay, dot l strip, okay, and the answer should be equal to, okay, without this spacing, okay, here it was specified as hello, okay, that means assert, okay, the statement here it was given, okay, will be equal to means the answer will be equal to hello, okay. And same like the second one is upper, okay, is upper, okay, here the two cases were specified, see here, assert is true, okay, assert true of hello is upper, that means the true, okay, if the assert is true means, okay, all the given input or uppercase, okay, and same like, okay, if it is, okay, assert is false means, okay, it may include, okay, set false means definitely, okay, the given function may include small cases also, that's why in the hello, okay, one of the letter will be replaced by a small l, okay, that means the assert is false, okay. So this is also okay condition only because we have changed the statement here, so assert false, okay, got it, okay. If the assert is true means the given function all are uppercase, okay, and same like if it is false means, okay, you have to take a small cases also, okay, I can change all the input as small case, okay. So both the conditions which was given over here is true, correct one. And the next one, we are taking underscore split, okay. So in underscore split, okay, as I told earlier, hello world is given, okay, and the split means, okay, it was splitted by two terms, hello separately and world separately, that means what, okay, you are splitting the hello world into two, okay. Previously we have seen the example, that is split of 1. Now I have taken split of 2. Okay, so by our knowledge, okay, so all are fine. Okay, which was given as it is equal. Okay, the equal answer is given, and as it is true, false, we are checking with the help of this upper, okay, is uppercase, and also the next one is the dot split. Okay, so now we'll run this program. Okay, see here the 3 tests, okay, are okay. Okay, so you got it. Okay, now if I'm changing anything here, okay, instead of this, okay, this, if I'm removing the space or not, okay, the if it is not equal, okay, this hello, okay, that is the answer which was given here. Okay, this will be changed, means definitely it shows us the error. Okay, and here also, okay, upper, okay, is upper is not satisfied, means it shows the error. And here you look on it, the asset false. Okay, we have given the asset is false. Okay, then it won't satisfy the condition of this false. Okay, and the next one is, okay, here we are taking the two split. Okay, that's hello separately and world separately, and here we are specified split of 2, so it is correct one. So in that manner, you can check multiple functions. Okay. Now we'll check the next program. Yeah, 1 minute. Yes. Okay. So in this example, what is the difference? Okay. Previously, we have taken the conditions. Okay. That is, we have imported and import the unit test, and then class of test division is given. Okay. That means previously we have taken a single class. Under the single class, multiple functions were taken. Okay, now, okay, inside the function itself, okay, inside the function itself, I am going to give, okay, the statements. Okay, that is the difference between the previous program and this program. So now I have taken test division is my class. Okay, so under my test division, okay, I have taken 3 functions. Okay, the first function is test underscore is 0, and the second function is test underscore is true, and then third function is test underscore is false. Okay, so here I am taking 3 functions. Okay, so the first function, okay, is 0, so that is your statement. Okay, so the answer is equal to 0. Okay, so for that, okay, I have taken 2 mod 2. Okay, so the answer must be equal to 0. Okay, that's why the function itself I have denoted test is 0. So you have confirmed, okay, that is 0 is given over here. Okay, that is the answer is 0. Okay, and the next thing is, okay, test underscore is true. Okay, the answer itself, okay, it will be a true statement. Okay, and here I have given 2 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, and the answer is equal to 2. Okay, I have given the false statement. Okay, we'll check. Okay, this is equal to, that is, the statement is shows error or not, we'll check it out. Okay, and see the next example. Okay, the test underscore false. Okay, the statement itself I have given false, and the given asset is equal to, okay, it must be a false one. So okay, the given statement itself, it is a false one. Okay, so 2 divided by 1, okay, the answer is equal to 2 only, but it is a false statement, so it is equal to a false statement we have given. Now we'll run. Okay, we'll check this one. Okay, see here. Okay, a type error. Okay, I already I told you, no, 2 divided by 1. Okay, so this 2 divided by 1 is equal to, it must be a, okay, now I'll change to, okay, now I have changed the statement as true. Okay, now I'll run this module. So see here. Okay, all the 3 tests are okay. Okay, so like that you can check the individual functions. Okay, so individual functions also to be tested. In the test function itself, okay, you can add true or false. Okay, this in that way, if you are using this true or false in the same function itself means okay, you can identify the error very easily. Okay, and the next program, we will take the next program. So now I'm going to use that is inbuilt functions. Okay, for that I'll open file named as find big. Okay, see, okay, I have typed the program. Okay, in that program, okay, I just save that file name as find capital BIG. Okay, dot py. Okay, this is the file name. And now, okay, now we'll check this simple coding. This is second step. Okay, so first step we'll check the simple one. Okay, and we'll open the another file also. Okay. See this find big. Okay, find big dot py file. So in this file, first I'm importing. Okay, sys. Okay, sys is nothing but the system. Okay, the system will consist of many number of modules, functions. Okay, so I am importing the system. Okay, and the function. Okay, the function. Okay, here we are going to check find big. Okay, so find big a comma b. Okay, and the if else statement I have used over here. If a is less than b, it is written as false, else okay it is true. Okay, it is a very simple program. Okay, and now I'm going to call this find big program. Okay, with the help of this program here, that is we are going to call this program here. Okay, import unit test. Okay, and after that import find big. Okay, see here I'm this file name is find big. Okay, that find big okay is I'm calling that find big over here. Okay, so import unit test. Okay, and then I'm calling this find big. Okay, so import find big. So this program, okay, whatever here you are written, no, that should be called over here. Okay, and now I'm writing the class. Okay, the class. Okay, here I have taken test underscore big. Okay, so we are going to check is bigger or is it is a smaller one. Okay, and the function here I have taken test underscore is bigger. Okay, so and here already we have defined. Okay, that is a is less than b. Okay, so in a is less than b. Okay, if it is less than means it is written as false. Okay, else condition true. Okay, so in the assert equal, okay, find dot find big of 10 comma 5. So a value is 10. Okay, and b value is 5. Okay, so that is given here as true. Okay, and the next one. Okay, the next test underscore smaller. Okay, here also assert is equal find big dot find big of 23 comma 45. That means a value is 23 and b value is 45. Okay, so you got it. Okay, so here asset is equal. Okay, if asset is equal, a is less than b. Okay, if it is less than b means okay it will be given. Okay, that is 10 and 5 number as taken. Okay, it is true. And if a is less than b and it is written as false. Okay, you understood? The asset is equal. Okay, the your given statement which will be equal to. Okay, and same like okay this asset is equal. Okay, that will be equal to false. Okay, so as per our okay that is our condition. Okay, the condition which was given here. Okay, what condition we have given? A is less than B, false. Okay, else, okay, true. Okay, so based on that one only, okay, the statement here it was given. Okay, asset is equal, find big dot, find big of A value is 23 and B value is 45, then it is written as false. Okay, else it is true. Okay, so else it is true means A is 10 and B is equal to 5. Okay, so now we'll run this program. Okay, the two tests are okay. So based on this find big, okay, we have given the condition. Okay, and after that we are calling this the file. Okay, and in that, based on this condition, the calling function will be called over here, and then we are given the statement. If suppose, okay, if I'm changing this, okay, this, if I'm changing this into false, false. Okay, and now we'll run this program. Yeah, okay, so it shows the failure error of 1. Same like if I'm changing this number here, instead of this 23, I'll put the greater number. Okay, I'm here I'm entering 60. So now we'll run this program, run this module. So see here, the failures is equal to 2. That means what? Okay, it's not satisfied. The first here, the asset is equal to, okay, 10 and 5 is false. But here, the condition which was given here is true. Okay, and same like, okay, I have changed the value. That is A value 60 and B value is 45. Actually, okay, if I'm giving like this means, okay, it must be the asset is equal to true only. Instead of this true, I have changed to false. Okay, so it shows the error. Okay, so like that also, if it is that is multiple functions means you can do it like this. Okay, that is you can write it and then you can call the function and you can import the function in some other file. Same like you can take a number of outputs, you can take it. Okay, that is a number of outputs means that is 100 or anything. Okay, based on your coding you can use it. Okay, next the same condition. Okay, the exemption, okay, I'm going to use. Okay, because here you have taken, no, that is 10 and 5. Okay, that is wait a minute, I'll change it off to, so here in this program, so now it is okay. See here, we have taken the smaller condition as well as the bigger condition. Okay, so in addition to that, okay, just we want to take the proper output. Okay, the proper output means our knowledge. Okay, just you are checking greater than and smaller than. Okay, that is bigger condition and smaller condition only you are checking. Okay, so in addition to that, exemption has to be added. Okay, then only you will be getting the correct output. Okay, so now I'm calling the next file. Okay, we'll take the next exception case. Yeah. Okay, so in the same find big, you can change it because I have written find big. Okay, that's why each and every time I'm pasting the program in find big. If you are saving in some other file, just you can take this file, that particular file name over here, because I have copied from test 4. Okay, instead of this find big, you can enter test 4, and here also instead of all in on all the places you have to change the file name. Okay, that's all. Okay, just for identification only, just I loaded like this. So see here, okay, in the find the big program, okay, small that is exemption is also to be added. Okay, so after this that is A is less than B, the false, and else it's true. Okay, and after except exemption, okay, print getting exemption. I have added the exemption, okay, and here also you have to cope up with that exemption, okay. So now we'll open. Yes, okay. So see here, okay, see the two programs. So in the find big program, here we have added the exemption, and same like in your main program, that is a test 4.1, okay, .py file, I called this find big, okay, and also I have added this assert equal find big dot find big of 45 comma 45. That means I have given the value for both the variables will be equal to 45, okay, both are equal to 45, okay. So this is the exception. Yes, okay, fine. So I have added the exemption, okay, that is both are equal, greater than or lesser than, and after that both are equal. So this is called what? Exemption, okay. Now we'll run this program. So see here the three tests case are okay. Okay, so that means what? Okay, the assert is equal. Okay, if both are equal means that is a true statement. So you will be getting the output of this. Okay, that is a true output. Okay, so you are getting okay condition. Okay, so in that manner also you can check. Okay, that is for getting the proper output. You can do it like this. Okay, and we'll do the next one. Yes, okay. So in this program, uh, the in the slide I have explained, about this test shoot and test cases. Okay, so test case means, okay, what we have seen, okay, all the programs, okay, all are based on test cases in class. Okay, just we have taken test cases. Okay, now, okay, I'm going to take the test shoot also. What does mean by test shoot? It is the combination of test cases as well as the test shoot. Okay, so for this test shoot only I have taken this program. So what is the format of this one? Means you have to import a unit test. Okay, that is the very first you have to take it, and you have to import, okay, from the files, okay, from the file name. Okay, from this file, okay, I am importing, okay, the function test underscore big. Okay, so I'll show you in test 3. And in test 3.1. Okay, so I'm closing this also. This. Just I'm closing all the remaining files. Okay, only I'm taking the particular 3.1 file. Yes. Okay, fine. Yes. So see here. In test 3.1.py. Okay, so I have taken from test 3.1. Okay, in that file I have importing test underscore big. So that means the class name, okay, the class test underscore big is given. So you have to take the test underscore big over here. Okay, so what the test underscore big I have taken, and parallelly, okay, under this test underscore big, I have taken here two functions. The first function is test underscore is bigger, and the second function is test underscore is smaller. I can take any functions because here I have given two functions. whether I'm going to take test is bigger or otherwise test is and test underscore is small, whatever it is you can take, or otherwise you can take both the functions. Okay, because now we are going to use the test shoot function. Test shoot function means multiple test cases we are going to take. Okay, got it? So for example, I have taken, okay, so see here in the second line, okay, see here, shoot dot add test underscore big. So in the test underscore big, okay, I have taken test underscore is bigger. Okay, I have taken the first function itself. Okay, I didn't take the second function. You want, you can take it. Okay, so just I'm taking only one case here. Okay, and same like the second line from test 2. Okay, import test division. Okay, we'll open that file, test 2. Okay, so in the test 2, what is the class? Okay, test division. Remember, okay, in the first day and the second day, sir and ma'am has explained, okay, what file name, correct, that particular file name, okay, you should take it. Okay, if you're changing the case means it won't take. Okay, so test capital D, that is test division. Okay, the same file name here you should take. Okay, if you are changing means it won't help you to take the output. Okay, so in the second line, test 2 import test division. Okay, so see here I am taking test division. Okay, that is your class. Under this test division, here three functions. Okay, that is the test underscore is 0, test underscore is true, and test underscore is false. I have taken the three function over here, and you want any, okay, case, here you can note down it. Okay, that is in the second line, shoot dot, okay, add test division of test underscore is 0. So I have taken the first function itself. Okay, that's why it was given here test underscore is 0. Okay, so this is our second test case. Okay, and I have taken the next file name as sample 7. Okay, now I'm taking this sample 7, open sample 7. Okay, from this okay, so in sample 7, okay, I am taking from sample 7, importing, okay, what class is given here? The class is test strip methods. Okay, so the same, okay, file name has to be imported. Okay, so test string, okay, test string method, sorry, it is test string method. Okay, and under this test string method, okay, here we have used three functions. The one is test underscore L strip, R strip, sorry, L strip, and is upper, and underscore split. There are three functions were used over here. I am going to use, okay, I have taken only L strip. Okay, so from this, okay, three functions, I have taken L strip. Okay, so the third, that is next line, shoot dot add test string method. Okay, test underscore L strip. Okay, so that means, okay, in this, okay, shoot, okay, test shoot. Okay, what we have done, we have taken, okay, we have collected, okay, test cases and under this test shoot. Okay, it's a collection of both the test case as well as the test shoot. Okay, it is going to be executed together. Okay, so now, okay, we'll execute it. Okay, and after completion, okay, you have to take the return shoot. Okay, and you have to call this dot main. Okay, and dot run. Okay, that is a test runner. Okay, test runner is nothing but it is going to organize the end of this program. So test runner is also added over here. Okay, so now we'll run this program, run this module. Okay, so you can able to view the, okay, fine. Okay, so all the three tests, okay, were okay. So all these three because in all the that is in all files I have changed the right answers only, so it must be a that is all the tests were okay condition only. So this is the way you how to use this test underscore should. Okay, so we have seen, okay, the two examples, okay, that is the test fixture and test cases and test should. Okay, so now next we'll take the next program. Yes. Okay. So this is a very simple one. Okay. Instead of calling this, okay, that is calling this unit test, I am taking a class. Okay. So it is also a very interesting example only. So in class, okay, a person, okay, that is we are going to consider. Okay, the person means the person name, person ID will be taken here. In addition to that, we can take weight, that is color, dress code, whatever it is, you can add more parameters over here. And here the name, okay, we are going to specify the name. So name, okay, blank, that is you square bracket you have to specify. Okay, so we are going to specify the name of that particular person. Okay, so that only see here in the last step, again dot main. Okay, you have to call the file name as main. Okay, and the function, okay, the first is set underscore name. Okay, here I'm going to use the two functions. Okay, the first function is test and sorry, set underscore name. Okay, set underscore name means, okay, this function is going to store the name. Okay, and the second function, okay, get underscore name. Okay, get underscore name means you are going to retrieve the name. Okay, retrieve the function. Okay, this is storing the function, this is retrieving the function. Okay, so then the first function, okay, self dot name append user underscore name. And the first class itself, sir has explained about this append. It is going to combine, that is in front. Okay, if you are having 5 6 7 8, okay, one function means, okay, before the function, okay, the append, okay, that is you are going to add the what function. Okay, if you suppose 5 6 7 8 is there in that function, if you want to add 6 means append of 6 in a 6 7 8 9, okay, will be shown in the output. Okay, this is called what? Append. So self dot name, okay, dot append username, and it will be written, okay, the length of self dot name is -1. Okay, so this is the length will be specified. Okay, and the next, okay, the next function, okay, get underscore name. Okay, here I have used if else condition. If the user ID is greater than or equal to the length of self name, okay, this has to be written, there is no such user. Okay, else, okay, you have to enter the user ID. Okay, so the first function is set name. Okay, set name, okay, it will be append user underscore name. Okay, and it is written as length. Okay, len means length of self dot name. Okay, -1. Okay, so if it is 5 means, okay, so 5 minus 1, okay, that is equal to 4. Okay, like that it will be taking. Okay, and in the get underscore name to retrieve the function. Okay, how going to denote means, if else condition, if the user underscore id is greater than or equal to, okay, length of that that name. Okay, self dot name means, okay, it will be written as there is no such user. Okay, if not, okay, it is going to take the user id. See here in this program. Okay, we have taken the name of the person. Okay, and in the first function we have taken, okay, we are going to store, okay, this function, no, here we are going to store the name, and in the second function here we are going to take the id. Okay, so that means what? Okay, this is your first assert function, and this is the second assert function. For running this program, you must define this assert function. Okay, first assert is set underscore name, and the second assert is get underscore name. Okay, so after specifying this assert, okay, you should call the dot main program. and after that print. Okay, see here, user Veda has been added with the ID. Okay, and after that, okay, the person dot underscore set underscore name is Veda. Okay, and second, okay, user associated with the ID is one is the person get the person dot get underscore name as 0. Okay, so now we'll run this. Okay, you can see the output. Okay, so see here. So see here, user Veda has been added with the ID. Okay, so here we have added the ID. Okay, that is 0. Okay, that's why the ID is 0. And same like in the second line, user associated with the ID, uh, the ID one is, okay, what name we have assigned. Okay, that name is given over here as Veda. So you understood, I think you understood this concept. Okay, so the previous programs, okay, how we have taken, okay, how we have taken this unit test function means first we are importing. Okay, after importing, okay, just we are taking the class and followed by the functions. Okay, but here in this program the class is specified as person. Okay, and now we are going to give the name. Okay, and you have to give the assert 1 and assert 2. The assert is set underscore name, and the second assert is get underscore name. Okay, and you can give the name of that person and the name of his ID. Okay, whatever you want you can give. So like this, okay, you can create a number of that is parameters for that particular persons. Okay, so in that way just you can use this example. And next program. Okay, again I want to take the simple program only. So see here, the simple program. Okay, already I have explained about this program. You import unit test. Okay, and here you have add, okay, x comma y, and return, that will be written as x plus y. Okay, this already we have seen. Okay, so under this, okay, under the class, okay, my test, that is the parent module. Okay, in the parent module unit test dot test case is given. So the test underscore add of self. Okay, so self dot asset is equal to 3 comma 4 with the answer is equal to 7. Okay, and see here, self asset, self dot asset equal of add minus 1 comma minus 1. So the answer must be equal to minus 2. Now I'm running this. Okay, and so the test 1, okay, is okay. Okay, now I'm extending this program. Okay, so Control C, and here also I'm extending this program. How to extend the program? Okay, indent is very important in Python. So you must take care. Instead of this add, I'm going to subtract. And if it is subtract means, okay, I'm changing the sign, x minus y, and same like here also you should change, and here also you have to change, and here also you have to change. Okay, and 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1, and same like minus 1 plus or minus 1. Okay, so I'll change the value. So 7 minus 4, okay, I can change the values. Okay, so like this. Okay, so for example, I have changed in addition to this add, okay, I have added another function subtract, okay, and it will be written as x minus y, and same like the in that second, that is second function here I have added test underscore subtract, okay, and the assert, the statement is given, okay, it is equal to, okay, 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1, same like subtract 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Okay, so now you run this module. Okay, so the two tests, okay, you got it. Okay, so you can, and same like you can add many functions like this. Multiply, multiply, change the sign here, and you can change the numbers also. So I'm giving the right answers. Okay. So I have added the another functions multiply, and it will be written as x into y. Okay. And here also the function name is test underscore multiply, and the assert equal. Okay. That is multiply 1 into 4 is equal to 4. And again the second statement is also equal value I have given. Okay. Now you can run this and you can check. Okay. Okay, all the three tests, okay, were okay. So likewise you can okay, you can extend the program. Okay, whatever you want you can extend the program. And if suppose, okay, if there is any error, okay, see here, okay, if there is any error, error means, okay, I'm changing like this. Okay, and here also instead of this, okay, I'm changing, sorry, what is, and okay, the answer I'm changing. With the error I'm running this program, so it shows two failures. Okay, I have changed it here and here. Okay, so the two functions are wrong one. Okay, it shows the that is failure of 2. Okay, and also okay, you can see the assertion error also. Instead of the 16, okay, it shows 4. Okay, and the instead of this minus 1 it shows 7. Okay, like that. Okay, you can see that failure also. Okay, so I explained the concept of this unit test, okay, with a few examples. I think you understood the basic concept of this unit test well. So now we'll wind up the session. Any doubts, you can post me in this chat box. Thank you everyone.